This is the introduction to our brand new Stage 1 JK Elite Suspension. This is a 2014 JK, just like everybody has. All we did was take and leave the factory coil springs and shocks. We put our 3-link front end, 4-link rear, flat belly skid, move the tank to the back, and this is that brand new Stage 1. The real meat of what you get with this kit is the steering is all the genuine FK Heims, just like we run on all of our high-end builds. The control arms are running all the genuine Johnny joints. So in addition to thick wall tubing, you've got the best products that we use, again, on all of our high-end kits. So what you're getting is all of the real components, even the grade 8 bolts, like right down to every last component is all the high-end stuff. Keeping the factory 44s, you are going to be limited to a 37-inch tall tire. Once you want to go bigger than a 37, you have to go with the bigger axles, which pushes you into Stage 3 of our kit. You can upgrade those things as you can afford to or as you want to, and you will have an excellent suspension. All right, first impression is really good. This thing feels great, it feels stable, it's tight, it's solid. I'm actually really impressed with the steering. Even with the stock steering box and 37-inch tires aired down, the steering felt really good. I was able to really, sometimes when you get in the rocks, you know, with a bigger tire, the steering feels underpowered, and this actually felt really good. So I'm quite impressed that we got all the geometry right where it needs to be, and this thing just crawled through the rocks out here in Johnson Valley, and man, I gotta tell you, I'm pleasantly surprised. Benefit with the Stage 1 is you're not spending money over and over again. You can go to Stage 2 or Stage 3 or all the way to Terremoto if that's what your heart desires. But this gives you the platform that you're doing the work one more time, and then you can progress as you want from there.